You have to remove the carpet, and you don't know how to do it. I'm going to show you the easy way. Right, why I did two cuts like this, as you can see here? Because I try to pull it, hold it like that. I try to pull it like this, and then if everything goes well, great. Otherwise, I will start cutting the other way. And you have to see, it depends how the carpet was installed, I guess. And that trick, it works wonders. So try that, and if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. All right, so we have the carpet, as you can see here. We are going to remove it. So in the beginning, you're going to need this tool. This tool will help you a lot, so that way you can make small cuts like this. I cut it just here and then there, and then you pull. If you try to pull it like that in this direction, and it's very difficult, what you have to try to do is do it the other way. You do this way, and it was very easy. So you have to see how it goes on your case, but that is the trick. Otherwise, you can buy this tool, but this doesn't have, it's not very sharp, and you can try maybe with it depends on the place, maybe with a pressure washing machine. I have done it in another customer, and it worked great. Otherwise, you have to start scraping, but that is the way to do it.
Hey, my name is Rick. I just want you to know that Gabriel was a lifesaver, and he came in with his worker very quick. They were very pleasant to be around, and I would highly recommend them to anybody who watches this video.